is going to be a tsunami. You may have heard that before, you may not. And we're going to talk about the Omega TMM vision, what they are, who they are, so that you can know a little bit more. Let's talk about some of this technology. We have really exciting machines to showcase, some for the first time.
Here are some glimpses from the event.
And we're launching 4 machines at IMTS, right? 4 new machines that have never been seen in the North American market.
Automation as a whole here in the US is obviously a global thing.
FANUC's theme coming into this show is we are hearing what the customers need, and we're displaying it and we're showing it.
So that's the beauty with EDM, is if you can find the job or set the jobs up right, you got additive build plates, or tool profiles. It's not a super fast process, but it runs by itself.
Let's talk Starreg, mid-1800s, beautiful technology. We know Boomotech, we look at SIP, we look at Heckert. I mean, how many lines are there here, right? From small to big.
Yeah, we're going to cover a lot of topics today. We really want to dig into our digital manufacturing solutions. As a company, we've got a reputation for providing great design tools, AutoCAD and so on, but we actually do so much more than that. Digital manufacturing for us is, that full spectrum of CNC machining, additive manufacturing, generative design, and so much more.
We're production monitoring for CNC machines, and most of the industry has defined monitoring as collecting utilization data and making operators enter downtime reason codes. We're the ones who declared that the complete wrong approach and flipped monitoring on its head by saying there should be no operator input required. Your monitoring software should automatically figure out how your jobs are supposed to run.
So if we look big picture, the whole market, the Gartner survey last year for 2022 capital spending, they're very clear. The number one reason people are buying machines today is to gain better productivity and better efficiency. Everybody's getting squeezed on the manpower side of things. People need to make better investments so that when they're purchasing that asset, they're getting more out of it.
We have got a booth full of solutions, Tony, and that's the most important thing, right? We've got OEM partners and systems integrator partners who have built solutions for manufacturing automation.
The customer has many times to find different vendors to bring things together. The problem is to connect them, to have interfaces between it. We can now make the machines together with automation under one roof, and that means that the customer has only one contact, no problem who has made a failure to connect the machines.
It's been a really exciting week. Yesterday we talked about the production of this innovative part. We went from the blueprint to the finished piece. Today we want to talk a little bit more about our digitalization solutions. We want to talk about our additive manufacturing offering. And most importantly, we really want to talk about our new CNC controller, Cinemeric 1.
Yeah, so this year is the 75th anniversary and family-owned business, which is not common anymore in this industry. So I'm very proud to be the 3rd generation and growing the company. It's just fun.
Last live stream of IMTS 2022, and we saved the best for last, or at least that's what Brent would want me to say for sure, right buddy?
Absolutely.
Let's talk about the importance of partnerships when it comes to Okuma.
Well, that's everything. I mean, everybody makes a good product in the machine tool business, so ultimately it comes down to who you are as an organization, your culture, and the support that you give customers. Part of the power of Okuma is we have the best distributor network on planet Earth.
First of all, super excited to be back here. It's been a crazy show. There's been so many people on the booth, excited to talk about all these technologies. So if we look at a few themes that we have on our booth, one of the first ones, it's been a theme for a while, it's the 5-axis machining, multi-axis machine tools, hybrid. Now you're starting not to even be able to know whether it's a mill or a lathe because it's doing both.
Well, we've grown. Since 2018, we invested into newer product. We understand the market has shifted and machining capacity have changed. People are looking for either a more better way to enhance the equipment that they have through efficiency, or looking for equipment that will take that new purchase of the capital and make it the maximum performance it can do.
Empowering digital manufacturing, what does that mean to you, Vivek?
It means getting data down to manufacturing and bringing real use to it, the real benefit to the operator, to the machine builder, and everyone who's part of this chain of the part production.
So welcome to Fuji Machine America, where we invite you to step up to Fuji Automation to maximize your productivity and increase your profitability.
Hey, with my good friend, Mr. Simon Shane. Simon, it's so good to see you again.
Welcome back, Tony.
great contributor to our company, valued friend for 7 years. I'm delighted to see your success at MTD.
Guys, he was so lazy, he started his own company and sells to everyone across the country. I don't think lazy is the right word. I'm going to go with creative.